Before the patient arrives, set up the area and solution for use. First, turn on the MotionVR system by turning the knob to the on position. The MotionVR force plate will move through a series of movements as part of the setup. Make sure no one is standing on MotionVR during this calibration process. Next, turn on the computer. Turn on the Vive goggle adapter. Make sure the light turns green. Wait until the Steam VR and Vive applications open. The base stations and VR headset should automatically pair for use. Then open the Virtualis Patient Manager. Open the intended module. Before the patient steps onto the force plates, tear them for an accurate center of pressure reading. Once the area is set up, invite your patient over to the area. Open the MotionVR safety ring by pulling out the silver peg, then pushing down on the black handle. Assist the patient onto the MotionVR force plate.
Okay, I'm going to lift your foot.
When performing assessment modules, position the front edge of the medial malleoli of each ankle aligned with a horizontal line on each force plate. The outer edge of the foot should be aligned with the antero-posterior lines.
Yeah.
Next, place the headset on the patient and adjust to comfort.
Tell me when it feels snug.
Place the headset cord loosely over the back of the MotionVR. Close the MotionVR safety ring by moving the white bar into position and placing the silver peg into the hole. Check to make sure the ring is in a locked position before beginning the module.
So I'm going to start so you stand as still as possible.
You are now ready to begin.